Hello everybody, welcome back to Jeff's Computer Service on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Let's go ahead and get started. So first up is going to open up VirtualBox. From here, you're going to make a new virtual machine. Give it a name. Just going to keep it simple. Kali Linux. From here, I'm going to locate the ISO. In my case, it's on the desktop. Scroll down. Kali Linux, and it should be right here. Okay, now we just click on next. Here we can just change this to let's put like 4, and for cores I'm gonna put 4 as well. I'll create a new disk. I'm gonna make it 100 for this example. Here's a summary of everything that we did. I'm gonna click on finish. Okay, and there we have it. Now we're just gonna go ahead and power it up, and we should be brought up to the installer. Okay, there it's booting up. And there it is. So in my case, we're just going to click on install. Just give that a few seconds while it's loading up. Now here, click your language, English, for me. Click your country, United States. Key map, just choose American English. Just give this a few seconds. This might take a little while, so I must just fast forward this part. Okay, now for the host name, I'm gonna pick Kali Network. Okay, click continue. For domain name, I'm gonna keep it simple. Let's put kali.local. Actually, no, let's put kali.com. Okay, now the name for the user, I'm gonna just put my name. Continue. And username, I'm gonna put it again, my name. Now a password. Continue. Now again to verify it. Continue. Now we just wait here. It's gonna take a little time. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, pick Eastern. Now let's just give this a few seconds. Okay, in our case, I'm gonna use the entire disk for this part for partitions. I'm not really gonna set anything up. I'm gonna just keep it all simple. And yes, this it is. Okay, all files. Okay, finish. Write the changes. Yes. This might take a little while. I must just fast forward again. Okay, and from here, just leave everything default. I'm gonna pick the gun. Let's just go ahead and fast forward again. Okay, I must just click for the default GDN3. This is really much to your preference. Enter. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, guys, and there we have it. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue here. Just click enter. Select your drive. It's gonna wait a little longer again. We're almost done. Let's just fast forward this part again. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, and there it is. Installation is complete. Now it's just gonna continue to reboot. And we're gonna give that a few more seconds. Okay, there it is rebooting. Now let's just click on Kali Linux. It should already boot up. And there you have it. It's finally booting up. And there we go. Now just click on your name or your username, put in the password, and enter. Give it another few seconds. And there you have it. Oops, put that in small. You successfully loaded up Kali Linux on your Windows computer. Now you can go ahead and do anything that you want here, change anything, try out the application that has set up for vulnerability, wireless attack, everything else. You can see it here in the app. And guys, that's basically the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any issues, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible if you'd like to see more similar videos about this. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Goodbye.